I lost 180 pounds. Let's start living life. This is life after weight loss. Look, that's Mama. She posted this on Facebook. That's her and Dad when they got married. And this is a picture that I forgot I had from when we were in Vegas. Y'all, I'm at the pool hall and I had Chipotle today. And they had a lot of beans in my Chipotle bowl, and oh my goodness, my stomach is rolling. Keep those doggies rolling, rawhide. I'm keeping score. Gotta go. Bye. Close your eyes, cause I gotta move around and get my stuff ready. Had a good time at pool. I am a level 2, and I had to play against a 4. Sometimes, so in order for us to qualify, each player to qualify for making it to Vegas and to play in the competitions, you have to have, close your eyes, hang on. You have to have so many matches that you've played. Well, so there, and sometimes teams don't have more than one lower level player. So like I said, I'm a level 2 and I played against a level 4. And she gives our 5 a run for his money. And hang on. So I had to play against her. I know, I'm gonna drive y'all nuts. But anyway, so I played against her and she won, which, as she should. I'm a level 2. But she won. But it was funny. Or it was fun. I was trying to figure out which ball to look at, and she's like, go for the 7 on the side. I'm like, okay, thanks. And I got it in, so that's the cool thing about our league. Is everybody's so nice, I mean, when it comes down to it, and you're playing in the big championship, of course, then it's pretty serious. But when it's just this kind of, just the, I take this to help me sleep. That and that. Hold up. Hang on. Oh. All right. Anyway, so, yeah, it's pretty laid back. What you want, bub? Oh, you think you need some more? They already had some, but hold on. All right. Okay, hold your horses. I'm getting it. Come here, girl. Come here, Callie girl. There you go, ma'am. Sam, get that. Hey, gentle. Hang on, man. You hear that extra one's mine. Are you done? Sam, somebody get that off my foot. Sam, down there, on my foot. Down there, get that. Well. All right. Time for bed. Get that off my foot. Thanks, Sam. There's still some on my foot. All right, goodbye. Good morning. Oh, wait. Now, good morning. How are you? My microphone was buried in my lunchbox, so I'm like, ooh, that wouldn't be so good. Anyway, how you doing? I'm ready for it today to be Friday, and thankfully it is Friday. It's going to be, stuff changes at work, drama, whatever you want to call it. I'm ready for the weekend. Yeah. What's new with you? Today's going to be, today's your Jesus and Judy day. I do have kids' church today, so hopefully we'll have a fun time. And, yeah, I don't know. They always send us we have like a group email thing and a group chat thing. And they always send us like a heads up of what's going on. I kind of glance through it, but I'm not a visualist. I'm more of a literalist. So when I read what they say, I can't I can't picture it. I can't comprehend what it is that they're talking about or how they're talking about it. But what they do, they call it a powwow before kids' church starts. And they explain it a little bit more in depth. And that I can comprehend better. Anyway, so, wait a minute. Do I have my... Yep, okay. Yeah, so that's what I know. And I love y'all. And I will... Oh, yeah. Did I tell you I lost my game last night? I lost it. Oh, yeah, I think I did because she's a 4. And yeah. Okay, love y'all. Bye. Y'all, I got the burps today. Well, it just started. I guess my belly's like, feed me, Seymour. Burp. Feed me, Seymour. My car is reflecting off that car. That car is, it's like a dark blue. And so I saw that red. I'm like, who's got a red car? I'm like, oh, me. I got a red car. How you doing? You doing okay? I'm doing good. It's 11:35. Look at me. I actually been kind of busy today. I mean, I'm busy every day, but in a way that there's different kinds of busies. So like sometimes it's busy with like spreadsheets and like daunting, tasks, spreadsheet, comparing, that kind of stuff. But then there's also the kind that's like, when people come in and they want to discuss things or I don't know, other kind of tasks. I don't know. I can't even explain them. But anyway, so there's different types of tasks, and today's been the kind that's not the slow, daunting. So I've been kind of busy. So what do I have? Well, I don't know whenever I got back from Vegas, I made 3 of these. I took some frozen burger patty or burger, chopped up burger, ground beef, that's the word. And I put it like, it's a 1/3 pound. I put them in 3 different bowls. And then I had some frozen veggies. I told you one of my coworkers a while back gave me a big old honking zucchini. Well, I froze some of it. So there's a piece of it right there. That's a piece of zucchini. So it's got zucchini. Oh. A Brussels sprout. I thought I heard a buzz like a bee. It's a little pepper. So anyway, just a variety of mixed pepper. I thought I saw a potato. There's a potato. So what I do is I'll take my meat and put some meat in multiple bowls. And depending on how many bowls, that's how many packages of frozen veggies I open. And I divide that between the 3. So it's literally, while I'm just using the same veggies, it's not exactly the same amount because one might have less Brussels sprouts or one might have less potatoes. So that kind of changes it up a little bit. But then I don't season it. So then what I do is like this morning, I grabbed it. I put on some adobo with pepper and some, oh, come on, girl. Come on. That Thai sweet chili sauce, just a little drizzle. And that's what I seasoned it with. Now tomorrow, I might put some, smash seasoning in it. You know what I mean? So you change it up based on your seasonings. I'm at the end of this little jobber. I need to keep one at work. I ordered from Amazon the kind that has a handle, the big one, the 40 ounce. This is 20 ounce, so this is perfect for my trips. But for everyday use at work, I need a big one because your girl's too lazy to walk down the hall. Plus, this makes a sound, so when I'm in a meeting, listen, you'll hear it. Hang on just a second. I forgot on microphone. I was trying to look up there now. Hang on. There's little air holes, and so it makes a little whoosh, whoosh. So yesterday, where was I? I was in a meeting somewhere in there. I was like, sounds like a bottle. They're like, yeah, it sounds like a baby bottle. But anyway, but this is absolutely perfect for traveling and, you know, going to church on Sundays, because then, you know, this can tip over and there's not a problem at the church. I won't ruin the carpet. Anyway, well, that's what I know, and I will see you when I get home. Bye. Y'all, we're going old school because I didn't want to get up and go get my microphone, even though I know it sounds amazing. Let's talk about supper here. I fried up this is a 1/4 pound, so 1/4 pound of ground beef, and then like a half of a slice of pork belly. So it's like half of a slice. So there's like 4 little pieces like this big. So that's my meat. Got to try it. Hold up. And ketchup. Over here, I have my salad. So, it's got cabbage and peppers and onions and tomatoes and dressing. And it's going to be amazing. I love my boss. Or, if you're allowed to say cuss words, my bass. But if you ain't allowed to say cuss words, you better call the boss. Get your mouth washed out with soap. All right, let's get a taste. I put some adobo in here just to give it a little oh, and a little of my smash seasoning. Yeah, buddy. I don't remember if I've eaten this by itself before. It's just snickerdoodle. And because you know I love my keto chow, but it's snickerdoodle's flavor. I love it mixed with stuff. I don't remember if I ate it by itself before, so I'm gonna find out. Yep. That's good by itself. Like I'm always mixing stuff. All right, well, I'll catch up with you kids tomorrow. Tomorrow I got a Walmart and a little bit of meal prep. Bye.